Hey guys, Josh and Gilly here from Voyages of Agape, and today I'm bringing you another unboxing video from Xantrex. Today we have their new Freedom XC Pro Marine. This is the 3000 watt 150 amp version. They also do a 2000 watt 100 amp version. Now these are a Marine version, meaning that they have an NMEA 2000 network cable adapter built into the inverter. So you'll be able to view all relevant information via any third-party compatible multifunction display. You can also link this to their Bluetooth remote panel, meaning that you can see it via any Bluetooth compatible device. Some of the cool features that are built into this one are that it can do 2 times, so 4,000 or 6,000 watts for 5 seconds inverting. So if you have an induction cooktop or air conditioning, anything that has a big compressor or takes a large startup load, this will help manage that. It's also lithium compatible, meaning that it has AGM, flooded, and a lithium iron phosphate preset to make sure that those charging profiles will meet any of the lithium batteries. So this box has traveled halfway around the world to find us here in French Polynesia, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so right on top in the box is their instructional booklets and plugs for knockout and some safety warning data and the inverter charger itself. So this is everything that's included in the box, the all-important instructional manual that we'll read through thoroughly before we install this, and the inverter charger itself. It's really cool. It has the same footprint as our 2000 watt 80 amp charger inverter, and this one's the 3000 watt 150 amp inverter charger. It only weighs 18.5 pounds, which makes it the lightest inverter charger in class. So we're going to be able to connect this to our existing Bluetooth remote panel, but also right out of the box, it has a display built in on the unit. On one side, you have your 2 large cooling fans and a reset button, a ground for the case of the unit, and on the back side, or front side depending, is the business end. So this is where everything is going to get inputted into the inverter charger. We have the DC positive and negative, the AC in and out. We also have the NMEA 2000 network cable. This will go to any of the compatible multifunction displays, the remote panel in, battery temperature sensor, and a USB port to update any firmware later. So just like on their other XC inverter chargers, they have a removable panel here on the back that gives great access to any of the wire leads, both for DC and AC, making installation that much simpler. Thanks for following along with another unboxing video. If you want to see the installation of the XC Pro Marine, tune into our next video. And thank you for following along as we continue to explore the world, powered by Xantrex.